rider was trying to appreciate truck driver for clean truck, but driver got angry because he got confused with finger signs.
Huh? I can't hear you, what? Huh?
I can't hear you. What's going on? I can't hear you. What was the middle finger for?
You sped up at us.
I didn't speed up at shit.
Why don't you do that?
Speed up at shit.
Thanks for spitting on me, bud.
Yeah. Keep it up. Let me off again.
Thank you.
Motherfucker. You're such a badass, you faggot. Fuck him, you're cool, okay? Fuck him, you're cool. I don't like that.
This rider was enjoying his day, cruising along the road, when an unexpected encounter took a dangerous turn. A van driver suddenly stopped him, enraged because the rider had made an offensive gesture after overtaking him earlier. What followed was an intense and dangerous case of road rage, highlighting how quickly situations can escalate.
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me the fucking finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a fucking problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by some arsehole in the car.
I don't give a f. Sort it out now.
Look, you're able to fucking leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? I'm fucking coming around me
tell
stupid.
Roachy here to
That's my son you're talking about.
You'll pass me house one more time, cunt. I'll fucking mean it.
Hey.
I will give it to you, cunt. Because I'm fucking sick of it, right?
Okay.
Drive past me house because you've given me the fucking
No,
finger
I
too.
didn't mean that, dude.
Bull fucking shit.
What about me down there on Tottenham Road?
Great.
Yeah, great. Fucking finger good on a motorbike, eh?
You mind?
Do you mind?
I've done nothing to you.
What? This ain't nothing. Coming around me stupid ain't nothing. Huh?
Call cops now.
Tell me where I live.
I will.
In this clip, a rider faced a harrowing moment when a reckless driver cut him off from behind, dangerously close.
And what the f?
The rider, unable to contain his frustration, retaliated by smashing the car's side mirror.
The f? What the f?
But the incident didn't stop there.
What the f?
What happened next left everyone stunned.
You wasn't even passing. What the f? No. What the f was that about?
Nothing. You didn't make room. You're like not.
Someone's merging onto the street. How are you just gonna f over? Get that fixed, b****. But man!
Thankfully, the rider escaped unharmed. Let this be a reminder to stay vigilant on the road and avoid engaging with reckless drivers. A Yamaha R3 rider experiences a heart-stopping moment, a dangerous crash that could have ended tragically. Thankfully, by the grace of God, the rider walks away unharmed.
F*** you! See, you don't put attention? Huh? No. I have my video.
Fucking idiot. driving. Sir, I saw you before you even fucking hit him. Sir. You almost hit me too. Sir, you're driving like 100 miles per hour.
Did you see when I came to the freeway?
I saw you.
All right, did you see when I came to the freeway?
Even before you hit him.
Sir, did he, all right.
He just went over.
Sir.
Yeah, I saw. I have a video.
Okay.
You have your information? I can get your number?
Let me call the cops, man.
Yeah, call.
Look, I see when you were going inside the freeway. And
Hey, I was in my lane.
no, okay. That's what I'm saying.
He's
These cars,
driving recklessly,
no,
regardless.
these cars
Have my
In this clip, a rider becomes visibly upset when a driver follows dangerously close behind him. This kind of tailgating not only increases the risk of accidents, but also creates unnecessary tension on the road.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? You just keep hitting the brake.
Don't ride my ass.
Yeah, just drive your way, mother.
Don't
Yes,
ride
you
my
can't
ass.
go fast in that shit. Get your ass back to your fucking bug. Yeah, jerk off. Go home.
Run it
jerk
out.
off.
Run it over. Let's see what happens.
Go home, jerk off. Shut up. Go home, jerk off,
Take your
motherfucker.
headphones off, you dumb fuck.
You
And get off your fucking phone.
motherfucker.
Perfect. Perfect.
Put on the fucking YouTube, motherfucker.
Cool. I got you. Right here. Smile.
I'll have him in the camera.
Smile. Because you're on camera, bitch.